Since beginningless time, we have been drifting in this cyclical existence. All beings, without exception, have been each other's parents, friends, enemies, or ordinary individual at some point. The Sutra of the Great Assembly states, "There is not a single living being who has not been my parent." The Brahma's Net Sutra states, "All men have been my fathers, and all women have been my mothers." There is substantial scriptural evidence from the Buddhist teachings. Schools of Tibetan Buddhism, such as Kadampa, Gelug, and Nyingma, all emphasize that all sentient beings have been our parents, and we should contemplate this in practices including meditating on the defects of samsara and cultivating Bodhicitta. This is not merely something specific to Buddhism or simply a folk tale. Please ensure you develop a thorough understanding and conviction about rebirth.